Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about makeup formulas that I absolutely love. These feel and perform like high-end makeup formulas. You could change the packaging on these and put them on like whatever brand's high-end packaging, and I would tell you these are 100% worth every penny. Yet every single one of these formulas I'm about to share with you are affordable makeup products, and I think you should know about them. Now, before we begin, I am very happy to tell you that this video has been kindly sponsored by CVS, where you can find each and every single one of the products we are going to talk about today. So thank you so much, CVS, for partnering with me in today's video. And let me tell you guys, right now is the best time to stock up on all of your favorite products that are available at CVS, because the CVS Epic Beauty Sale is happening from August 16th until August 29th. And Extra Care members can get $10 off beauty and personal care items when they spend $30. You do need to be signed up to their Extra Care membership in order to access this offer. However, joining is completely free. If you're not yet an Extra Care member, which I feel like most of us probably are, it is free to sign up, and I will leave you the link to sign up down below in the description box, along with the link to every single one of these wonderful products I'm about to talk about today. So if you want to shop any of the products I'm about to tell you about, this is the perfect time to do so. You can shop everything online and have it delivered to you, or you can choose to buy online, pick up in store, which is a very easy option and time saving as well, because everything will be ready for you to pick up before you even head over. I'll also go ahead and place my Obsessed with It QR code right here on the screen, where you can easily find the products that are about to be on my face in a few minutes. The first product I want to share with you is from L'Oreal, and I already have it applied on my face, and it is the L'Oreal Faux Brow Tint Pen. I got mine in the shade Soft Black, and I have it applied on my eyebrows. I also put some on the back of the hand on its own, so you can see what it looks like on its own, and this is going to give you very beautiful, feathery, full, glamorous brows. Check it out on my eyebrows today. I absolutely love the color Soft Black because I really don't have much warmth on the hair on my eyebrows, so it is a perfect match for me. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know I love me an eyebrow pen, and this one at an affordable price cannot be beaten. You can see on the back of my hand how beautiful and feathery and thin the little hairs are, and it's actually twice as easy to fill your eyebrows with this one, because check out what the tip of this brush looks like. You got two little tips instead of one, so you're getting two little hairs with each stroke, which is going to fill your eyebrow even faster than with other eyebrow pens on the market. This is a very long-lasting, very easy to apply eyebrow tint. It even has fantastic packaging. It is on par with many high-end eyebrow pens I have tried. It is worth every single penny, and I highly recommend it if you're in need of an eyebrow pen. Next, I have a foundation to share with you. If you took this foundation's formula out of the packaging that is in and you put it inside a luxury beauty brand bottle, whichever one you want, I would buy it, I would do a wear test with it, and at the end of the day I would tell you it is worth every single penny. This is honestly one of the main products that inspired this video, because I am obsessed with it, and I am talking about this foundation right here. This is the Maybelline Superstay 30 Hour Lumi Matte Foundation. This is currently my #1 favorite affordable foundation in my collection. I absolutely love it. This formula feels luxurious, applies luxuriously, wears luxuriously. I have zero complaints about it. It is just fantastic. I have mine in the shade 125, and I'll stop rambling about it and get to the application of it. I love that it is a liquidy formula. It is extremely lightweight. It sinks right into the skin, lasts forever, just fantastic. I'm actually taking advantage of Evelyn's nap time right now, and I'm not just filming this video, but also I'm getting ready to go out to date night with Evelyn and my husband. We're going to a vineyard and I wanna look my best, okay? And I know that I can trust this foundation to look incredible on me for the rest of the day. Look at how natural that looks. I love me a natural looking foundation that will still very beautifully cover my redness, that melts right into the skin, that has a very long lasting power. All of those things are very important to me when it comes to foundation, and this one meets every single one of my requirements. If you have dry skin like I do, if you love a lightweight foundation with a medium coverage, I promise you, you will be thanking me for this recommendation because it is the best affordable foundation I have ever tried. You can put this in a YSL bottle and I'll be like, yep, you guys need that YSL foundation, like it's that good. Check it out, check it out. So pretty. Another product, and this one came out recently, so I tried it recently, but I have been loving it, that I want to share with you is this right here. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Big Oil Stick. Obsessed with the packaging of this one. I love how big it is and how juicy it is as well. It is an oil stick. It looks like one of those jelly sticks that were so popular a year or two ago. It is extremely nourishing and hydrating on the lips. I do have some other lip products I want to apply later, so I'm going to show you this one before I get there. It smells incredible. It feels so lightweight and so nourishing and hydrating on the lips. I am obsessed with it. Love the packaging as well. It is super fun. So if you are into oil sticks, definitely check this one out. Nothing new on the color corrector category. You're probably sick and tired of hearing me talk about this e.l.f. color corrector. This is the e.l.f. Camo color corrector in the shade Peach. I've had it forever. I have used it and loved it forever. I think a color corrector is an essential part of my makeup routine because I do have quite purpley, like, it's not even my under eyes as much as like the inner corners of my eyes, and nothing like a color corrector to battle that. I use this one just as much as my high-end and luxury color correctors, and the performance is the exact same. Absolutely love this one, and it is extremely affordable. And just with that color corrector on the inner corners of my eyes, look at the difference that makes. I love it. I applied the tiniest bit of concealer, and to set everything I'm going to use this right here. This is the e.l.f. Set It Bright Correcting Brightening Powder. I have been loving this powder ever since I tried it several weeks ago, and it is definitely my go-to affordable powder at the moment. I love the brightness and how blurring it is. You guys know I don't use a ton of powder, mainly just at the center of the forehead and right underneath the eyes with it. And because I have dry skin, I always tap off the excess on my palm before I go in with the powder on my face. This is how the makeup is looking so far, and I feel like the goodness of it all will mainly come from like how natural the foundation looks. If you get one product from this video, let it be that foundation because it is so darn spectacular, okay? But let's keep going because I do have more luxurious formulas to show you at very affordable prices. And the next thing I want to talk about is this right here from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Soft Glam Cream Bronzer. I have mine in the shade Light Medium, and I have been absolutely loving this ever since I tried it. It is very natural looking. The color is wonderfully neutral, not too cool tone, not too warm. Sculpts the face enough. You can build it up if you want to, or you can have it looking very natural. I'm going to like draw it everywhere I want it before I blend it. And I'm just going to blend the forehead into the hairline. And you can see how easily everything is melting beautifully into the skin. With my brush, I'm going to tap it in place everywhere I drew it. And you can see how it just melts beautifully, creating a bronzy but very natural complexion and sculpting the face just enough. I've been using this contour and the blush that I'm about to apply for a good while now, and they both have really good lasting power on me. Do keep in mind, I have very dry skin, so my makeup isn't usually wearing off. But these look pretty similar at the end of the day in comparison to like when I first put them on. They last beautifully on me. And there's of course other shades you can choose from depending on your skin tone. I went with light medium and I'm pretty happy with the way light medium looks like on me. As you can see, the cream bronzer has a beautiful glowy finish, but like natural glowy, not super glowy, a beautiful naturally glowy finish to it that I really like. Check it out. And the same thing goes to the e.l.f. Soft Glam Cream Blush. These came out together. My cream blush is in the shade Muted Mauve, and I absolutely love mauvey blushes in general, but this one does a fantastic job at being natural, a little glowy but not too glowy where like it's not going to enhance my texture in any way. Lasts until I wash my makeup off, melts and blends beautifully into anything that's underneath, and it's pretty customizable as well. Like I like a very light blush, but you can definitely build it up if you want to see it more. Take a look right here, and as you can see, it just gives me enough glow to look youthful and like hydrated and like lifted, if you will, without enhancing any of the texture that you can bet is underneath this makeup. Because I have rosacea, and if you have rosacea, you know there's always some kind of bump going around the face, and I just love the way my makeup is looking so far. I feel pretty and flawless, if I do say so myself. Now we do still have more absolutely stunning products to talk about, and I'm pretty sure almost everything else that is left is Moira Cosmetics, because Moira Cosmetics is now available at CVS. I've reviewed and used Moira Cosmetics products before. I could not be more excited for them that they are now in one of the biggest retailers. And so we're going to finish things up with some extremely creamy, beautiful formulas from Moira Cosmetics that you can now get at CVS. Are you guys ready for these Moira eyeshadows? Because I don't think you are. I have two of them that I'm going to apply today. This one right here is the Moira Cosmetics Chroma Light Shadow in 044 Summer Dream. And as you can see, it is the most absolutely stunning duochrome shade. And then the other one, which we'll be applying on the inner corners of the eye, is this one right here, the Chroma Light Shadow in 017 Opal Gazed. Let's go ahead and go for this one. Look at that color. Are you kidding? Moira Cosmetics is coming to CVS to elevate drugstore makeup as a whole, because these shadows are insane. Check it out right there. Are you joking? So stunning. Of course, I'm going to even it out and perfect it a bit more, but just roughly applied with the finger. Just take a look at how good that is. I have a flat brush and I'm going to kind of perfect the top edge of the shimmer shade. And then with that same flat brush, I'm going into the lighter shimmer and I'm adding it to the inner corners, and lightly we're blending it in. I could literally stare at these shimmers forever. The next product I'm going to apply is not technically part of the greatest formulas for affordable prices video, because this I'm going to try for the first time right now. I have not tried it before, so I cannot claim that it is as wonderful as the rest of the products I've applied so far, but I'm excited to try it. And that is the Moira Cosmetics Double-Ended Gel and Liquid Liner in 002 Brown. I'm going to start with the gel part because I want to do the brown gel on my waterline. And I'm lining right in between my lower lashes as well with it. It's working nicely, but I don't think this is meant to be a waterline eyeliner because it's very thin. And I did an extremely light crease before I started applying the Moira shimmers because I want to do a wing. So let's go for it. A brown wing with the other end of this eyeliner. That's what it's swatching like on the back of my hand. That's slightly more dramatic than I was intending, but we'll go with it. That's the eyeliner applied right there. And next we're going to do mascara. The mascara I'm about to show you is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky Tubes Mascara. Everyone's favorite drugstore makeup mascara is now in a tubing formula. I've loved this mascara like in the original formula for years, so the fact that it now has a tubing formula, which so many people look for, is incredible. And let me show you it applied. Length, volume, and separation. I couldn't ask anything else off this mascara. And then we have the fact that it's going to come off very easily because it is a tubing mascara. No notes, okay? I love it. This lip liner I have tried before and it is as good as it gets, okay? This is better than many high-end lip liners I have tried. It's from Moira Cosmetics. It is the Lip Appeal Plumping Liner and the shade I got is 005, which is just a beautiful natural color. Now this is plumping, so if you don't love a plumping sensation, Moira also has incredible non-plumping lip liners. I really wanted to try this color though, so we went with plumping this time. This is the lip liner applied and I went ahead and filled it in a little bit because I'll be applying a clear-ish lip oil over top, and that is also from Moira. This is the Glow Getter Hydrating Lip Oil. I have tried this one before and I love it so much. This color I got is 003 Champagne Kiss. And here it is applied. Here is the completed look using all affordable makeup from CVS. I absolutely love it. I feel like those Moira trimmers are single-handedly going to change the eyeshadow game for drugstore makeup. And well, I also love that we were able to complete an elevated, glamorous makeup routine without needing the luxury prices. Remember that the CVS Epic Beauty Sale is running August 16th through August the 29th, and Extra Care members get $10 off of beauty and personal care items when they spend $30. I of course have the links to each and every single one of these makeup products down in the description box of this video, so make sure you check out the description box if you are going to place a CVS order. You can shop the sale in store, online, or through the CVS app. If you have a CVS near you, I recommend you buy online, pick up in store. It'll save you time and it makes picking up all of your products incredibly easy. With that said, I truly hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to please give it a thumbs up. Happy shopping if you decide to shop the CVS Epic Beauty event. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before you leave. A huge thanks once again to CVS for sponsoring today's video. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye.